As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next row. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always around me after them fence, you know. Chain, where me pants there? I want to run them, boy. Me just paint the fence. As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next row. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always around me after them fence, you know.
Yes, Miss Evans.
Yes, 15 of them, they got nose with the virus, and 30 of them in a guarantee. Man, me I tell you, say, Miss Evans, me not go near outer road. If you see me me not walk on road, Miss Evans. When me I go by your yard, that you come on, me I go master me no one they go put me in no warranty, mama. Why? It's up me, it's terrible, Miss Evans. It's terrible, bad. But me don't know where they get this virus from. Eh? A dagger knows all everybody have this virus. Mommy, a diagnose and a dagger knows is diagnosed.
Lord Pearly, where you get this diagnose from? Be that talk about the hang.
You see Jamaican people now, we put our own twist on everything, you know. What you may talk about? You see how some people steer. Boy, I mean, I understand it. Hey, Bobo, how am you? Yo, Frost, Wagwan, me have a little issue here, you see it? Like what that now? Early this morning, me go borrow my neighbor charger. She say me fi use it over her yard, cause she no want it mess up. Me say no problem, so me use it over there so. But right now she begs with me, because she come fi borrow my yard broom, and me tell her say fi use it over my yard, cause me no want my yard broom mess up either. And that she begs with me. The classical Bobo, but you know hear nothing yet. You want to hear this here one your story? Hey, Simple. Come here, man. Long time me not see you. Wagwan.
What you say, Frost? You know, say I go in a one store the other day and pick up a bottle of juice and a bag of sugar and walk out only paying for the juice, and them lock me up. After I go court, the judge a go ask me why I stole the sugar. Me never thief no sugar. Me tell him say, Your Honor, me never thief no sugar. Me look on the back of the juice and it says sugar free. So me not just take up one, but later on I go watch the crustacean.
You see what I'm talking about? Hey boy, come off of my fence!